Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johnson Salamin. I'm talking a little bit about Forex this time around. What is Forex? Forex is buying and selling of currency. In other words, you need to buy currency and sell currency. So, in other words, whatever you have and you want to trade, you must know when to trade and how to trade and where to trade. Now, we have various kind of pairs in currency, and then you need information. Now, the idea is not about just buying and selling alone. There are more things about Forex that people don't know. They know, but they don't know what to do about them. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth about Forex. Forex is volatile. In other words, you need to know a lot of things than just to press button of buy and sell. Now, I want you to understand this. From my experience in Forex, you may be good, perfect in TA, what is called technical analysis. But if your psychology in the market or market psychology, according to professionals, they use the word market psychology. If you don't have this psychology, you will always lose your money, your investment. Now, trading and investment, they are not the same. They may look the same, but they're not the same. It's the best thing is for you to invest your money. Now, if you don't have much money, that may be the challenge about Forex. Big money requires you to wait and wait and wait. You may wait for 2 days, 3 days before you buy at lower rate. We're going to talk about then when you need to know at this point in time, is it really low or is it going to go lower? Now, we have a lot of things we use in Forex, and what we can use them. We call it equal low, higher low. Talk about market structure in case you don't know about market structure. Market structure has different kind of things, different kind of time frame. So if you don't know certain things, you may know them, but if you don't know how to apply them, it's more of like you have information or you have data, but you don't have information. And if you have information, you don't have knowledge. If you have the knowledge, you don't have the understanding. And if you have the understanding, you may not have the wisdom. Do you know what it means now? It's more like education. You need to have gather some data, and or data you get some information. You make it to become information, then you have knowledge. You move to the stage of knowledge, and after knowledge you move into another stage called understanding the knowledge what you have. Then when you have the understanding, you move to the stage of wisdom, the ability to apply the understanding and the knowledge you have. Now, these are the steps. Then before you know it, at the end of the month or at the end of the 2 months, bi-monthly, you can check your evaluation. Look at what have you achieved from this investment. Now, this is what I want to tell you something about Forex. Make sure you know who you are. Are you a patient person or you're not a patient person? If you're not patient, then don't make sure that you are only trading for a few minutes and get out of the market. Don't trade and want to wait like those who are swinging or day trading. Those who are day trading, meaning that they go to trade in the morning and take profit in the afternoon or take profit in the evening. Or some people who are some traders who are actually the swing traders, meaning that they trade and leave it for like a week, 2 weeks, and before they see profit, before they take their profit. And then banks are those who are in control of swinging or position traders. They can trade just once, they will leave it for months. They're called position traders because of they just trade and they forget about it. They can leave it for months. Whereas so you are battling every day, you may still not achieve your goal. You may not still make profit because the way market is going up and down, is going to be clearing your stop losses if you are using, and it can blow your account easily. My account have been blown several times, and I've learned more lessons, and I've made more money. I've doubled my account within a week, and I've blown my accounts, within a week. Not because of I don't know much about it. It's because of small capital and trying to risk, because I'm trying to build up my market psychology. But building up market psychology requires you to have patience. Because when you talk about psychology, you don't just talk about psychology just for study's sake, but you have to consider what are these things, what comprise psychology. How long can you wait? Can you wait for it, without trading for 2 days, a day? We have, beginners who want to trade almost every minute. They want to trade, they want to enter market, they want to just buy and sell. But without confirmation. And again, if you want to trade, make sure you look at the time frame you are trading. Some time frames actually, they are called noises. They are not actually trading. They are not actually there. You can make money from it, but you're going to whipsaw. Whipsaw meaning that you're going to be deceived easily to buy. It's time to buy, but it's going to be buy for some 30 minutes or 1 hour and then start selling. You're going to be selling for like 1 hour and start buying for the whole day. In other words, you need to be careful about it. So when you are ready to invest in Forex, I would suggest that you maybe don't spend more time at all on demo. Don't spend more time on demo because you will not learn market psychology with demo. Make sure that you don't have money that you are not ready to lose. So ensure you have some money for your daily activities to spend for daily upkeeps, okay? And then invest your savings, the little you have, or invest out of your savings. That's the advice, because your emotions will creep in when you invest all your money, your assets. What's all you have? You don't do that. It's not advisable. Don't wait till when you have more money. Save up more money, then invest more money. Then ensure you know about risk management, money management, and then you know about timing. Because when you talk about price, you must consider timing. Know the time, right? Know your time. If you don't know your time, forget about it. You may know your price, but you don't know your time to enter the market. Although market is going up, but it can still go down a bit before it goes up. So it can still go down a bit before it goes up. Or it goes up a bit and goes down for the rest of the day. In other words, you need to know your timing. And that's where most people are calling it stop hunting. They call it kind of manipulation. And then there are different kind of ways. So market can be pushed. And those are the people who are in charge, are the banks. Those who they have big money. They can decide which direction to go. And they can clear people and so that they can sell. So in other words, you need to be so smart and then just get that knowledge. I'll be sharing some tips about all these things on this channel too, in the case of those who have interest in business, trying to invest in Forex. And about cryptocurrency, it also applies to it. There is always certain things that you can look at. If you have knowledge of Forex, you can still apply it in cryptocurrency too. But I don't really want to go into cryptocurrency because of the manipulation, the spread that brokers usually use. The brokers, the widely spread, and that kind of widening of spread. I know even during the day, when there's still activity, much activities, or there's much activities in the market, they tend to widen the spread, which I don't really like at all, because it makes you to think that market is going up, and whereas it's not going up, because you're actually trading spread, meaning that will deceive you that market is going up, whereas market is still at the spot, but the spread is moving, but the real price is still there, meaning that you are being deceived. And you must, what I want to advise you now, if you are actually into trading, make sure you on your ask line, so that when you're using your MT4, especially MT4, and if you're using TradingView, you just need to be careful. You're surprised that in one broker price will not be the same with the other person, but very close to maybe 5, 3, 2 pips, depending on the spread. So it depends on the kind of account type you are using. If you are talking about ECN, there's classic, there's what they call normal accounts, different kind of accounts actually. But ensure that you are into you are using ECN. The other one carries commission that will be charged anytime any trade you take, or the other you take, you pick up, maybe you take one order, you click on the buy now with one lot, they can charge commission. Apart from the commission, there's a little small spread that comes with it.